This hair myth needs to stop. And I'm talking about shampooing and conditioning your hair, specifically shampooing. There's a lot of people that are saying, oh, don't wash your hair too often. It could be stripping your scalp from natural oils, and don't do this, don't do that. A lot of these people have never even picked up a pair of scissors before in their life and cut hair. They're just marketing gimmicks and scams that they're just trying to utilize on you to brainwash you. Okay. When it comes to washing your hair, the primary goal of a shampoo is to cleanse your scalp and your hair. Yes, there are shampoos out there and products out there that are very, very drying to your hair. I've worked for two of the largest beauty companies in the world. And when I was younger, Paul Mitchell and L'Oreal, I've used dozens upon dozens of different products from different brands. And I can assure you, I've even used shampoos that were rated in magazines as number one thickening shampoo. I remember using them, and the hair felt like pure hay or straw. It was so drying to the hair. I said, "Go, how could this be the number one shampoo for volumizing?" Yeah, maybe it created volume, but the hair felt so dry. So there are a lot of companies out there just using marketing tactics to get you to buy their products. Now, that's a whole other thing, okay? Because what it comes down to is shampooing your hair is important. Conditioning your hair is important. In my professional experience of over 30 years as a hairstylist and working on thousands of clients, washing thousands and thousands of heads when I was doing hair and assisting and all that stuff, I can assure you that when you don't wash your hair for a very long period of time, it's disgusting. Okay. I remember washing clients that would come in and they would get their hair washed, or they would wash their hair once a week, meaning they would just, style it once, mostly women, and they would style it and just let it go for a whole week because they want to keep the hair in place, have it set, keep that volume, whatever it is. They didn't want to mess with the hair. And then they would come in, oh, I haven't washed my hair in a week or so. And when I rinsed it, it was just the water was just cloudy. It smelled. It was awful. It was disgusting. And that smell it still stays with me. I can almost smell it immediately. But that stuck with me for years upon years of just the same thing every single time. When they'd say, "Oh, I haven't washed it in a week," make sure you give it two shampoos, because they knew themselves the hair was actually disgusting and filthy. That's what happens when you don't wash your hair. It becomes disgusting. It gets dirty. There's elements that are in the air, products, whatever it is, buildup. It all just sits on your hair and then eventually goes to your scalp. So that's one part of it. Now, can you dry your scalp out by washing it too much? Absolutely. Because once again, if you're using a shampoo, and there's a lot of mainstream over the counter brands that you can get at local drugstores and supermarkets that are just they're doing billions of dollars in sales, and I have no idea how, because they strip the hair of oils. They're so damaging and drying to the hair and scalp that I don't even know how people are using them. I think it's because of the cost, but yes, you can actually strip your scalp of its natural oils if you wash it too much with something that is very drying, have that has a lot of chemicals and stuff in it. Now let's talk about chemicals. Shampoos need things to cleanse the hair, surfactants, things that are going to actually cleanse the scalp, cleanse the hair, get rid of all that stuff. Like, think of washing your hands with soap. You need something to clean your hands. It's the same exact thing when it comes to washing your hair, washing your scalp. You're cleansing it. So shampoos need something to cleanse it. And what happens is, if you are not cleansing your hair and your scalp, it could cause buildup. Your scalp could get almost too oily. And then what happens is you start to maybe break out on your scalp. You get maybe a smell to it or an odor. Things don't work in either direction. Washing it too much, washing it too little. I always say, and I've learned this years ago, is whenever you feel your hair needs to be washed, meaning Whenever your hair feels dirty, it smells dirty, it feels disgusting, it's sweaty, oily, wash your hair, whether that's once a day, once every other day. I've always said every 2 days is fine, but what if you don't want to? Like, what if you sweat all the time? You're going to the gym, you're doing activities that make you sweat in your scalp, then wash it. That's when a good quality shampoo and conditioner come in handy. I have premium shampoos and conditioners. I have 3 different sets. I've got my pure set. This is gonna be very helpful to anyone who's curious about my products. I've got my pure set, which is the pure shampoo and conditioner. I've had this for many, many, many years. It's one of my top sellers. It's ideal for people who want to help get thicker hair growth and promote thicker hair growth, a healthier scalp. Also, if you have a little bit of any sort of scalp irritation or uh, you just want to maybe fight hair loss, then this is the way to go because of the ingredients. And there are certified organic ingredients that are in it. It's loaded with high quality ingredients, and it's really, really incredible shampoo. It's got more of a light mint menthol. So that's that. Then I got my volume shampoo. This could be used as like your daily shampoo. It's designed with the ingredients to help boost volume in the hair. So if you're looking for more volume, this is the way to go. And the conditioner, oddly, a lot of people purchase just the conditioner. I guess because maybe they'll purchase the pure shampoo, and the volume conditioner on its own sells like crazy. I don't know what it is. The shampoo, the set is great, but it's a conditioner that doesn't weigh your hair down and actually builds volume in the hair. Lastly, well, actually, not lastly, I have a surprise for you all, but the next one is my hemp set. The hemp set is my go to if you have any sort of scalp issues, dandruff, dry scalp, flaking. Stop using garbage over the counter and use something that has certified organic hemp oil in it. Okay, that's what makes this so unique. It smells great. It's really designed to heal the scalp. Hemp is very healing. So if you're looking for something of a more premium, high-end, luxurious product and experience for your scalp, you want to heal it, then I would go with that. Now, I saved the best for last. I've talked about this in the past when I launched 2 new products. My control cream, which is actually selling like crazy. I'm almost out of them. I did a limited run just to do a test, and they're selling like crazy. So the control cream is a phenomenal product. It's designed to control your hair, whether it's wavy, curly, or even straight hair, and you have more of like a flow. It's a very, very light hold. It controls your hair. It makes it look even healthier than it is. So if you've got dry hair, that looks very dry and dull, this is the way to go. It's going to make your hair look healthy. I'm telling you, it's phenomenal. I also launched this Zero. Now, this is a really unique product because why is it called Zero? Well, it's a zero suds shampoo. And what makes this so unique is that it will cleanse your hair and condition your hair. And if you're a dude watching this, a male watching this with a long beard, I've discovered that this is incredible as a beard wash as well. The one thing that I'm going to explain exactly what this is and who this is for. The one thing right off the bat, this just has an addictive fragrance to it. Something that you smell. Think of it as like a luxurious vanilla bean, like just something so rich and sophisticated that when you smell this, you just want to keep smelling it. And the fact that when you use it on your hair or use it on your beard or whatever, this is unisex, so anyone can use this, male or female. But when you smell it and you experience it, it's like, oh my god, it's addicting. It's like wearing a cologne that you just love. The smell just carries, and it's just such a beautiful, sophisticated fragrance. So that's what's amazing about this. This utilizes cleansing agents and conditioning agents and ingredients that will help your hair get cleansed and conditioned without sudding it. So, this is designed for people maybe who have coarse hair, curly hair, very really really thick hair or dry hair, over processed hair. you can even natural hair. You can have finer hair types. It's really designed to cleanse your hair and condition your hair without using suds. So it's designed for people who want more of that lighter type of cleansing experience. You want to use something that feels like you're not stripping your hair out, but it's still cleansing it in a more gentle way. Is this for everybody? I mean, it's a phenomenal product. It makes your hair feel like literal silk. And yes, when I test this, my hair grows in a little bit. My beard, because I'm so experienced and I've felt thousands of different hair types, I know within seconds what this is going to feel like. And when I was testing this, the first thing I look for, even all my products, I'm looking for specific things. Did this make my beard feel very dry? Did this make my hair feel very dry? And the complete opposite. It made it feel so soft and conditioned that I said, this is a phenomenal product. And then I did a run of it. So it's really designed for people. And it works even better if, again, if you do have curly hair, thick hair, unruly hair, uh, coarse hair, and you're looking for something that's an all in one solution that's going to make your hair smell great and cleanse it in a more gentle way. There are still ingredients in here. You need to have cleansing ingredients in here. So, yes, there are things that are needed, stabilizers. So it's not like, going to start growing mold and me trying to scam you by saying, "Oh, it's got 4 ingredients." It's like, dude, it's just a scam. So you need to have things in here to maintain it, not only for FDA standards, but also just so the product doesn't start growing mold or bacteria. So it's available. I haven't really talked about it much, but it's a really phenomenal product. And there's a lot of ingredients in here. Uh, Ginseng root, which is really, really good. Um, there's a lot of oils in here, really, really hydrolyzed silk, panthenol. Panthenol is something that's like a thickener, so it really helps thicken your hair so it feels healthier and stronger. So there's just a lot of really good ingredients in here that are going to be beneficial to you, and it's available. You can actually purchase it right here. So I think a lot of the hair myths out there are, oh, I didn't wash my hair for 3 years. I can only imagine what that smells like. If you want to do it to be whatever lifestyle you're living, it's your choice. You do it, man. Or whatever. You live how you want to live. You eat what you want to eat. You want to be vegan, you want to be vegetarian, whatever it is, you do it. You do you. But there's just so many myths out there and so many people on social media and TikTok trying to, oh, my shampoo is more natural and my this is more natural. My shampoo has one ingredient, water. It's the best thing ever. I'm like, dude, like these people are ridiculous. They're not. What authority do they have when they've never even worked as a licensed hair professional in their life? You trust them and you're buying products from people who have never spent their one day as a licensed hair professional? 30 years, I have. 30 years. And I've worked for 2 major companies. So I think I stand behind what I bring to the table as far as a hair professional and my products. So it's available here. And I invite you to explore my range of products, to check this out. Also, my control cream. Those are selling a little faster than I was expecting, but it's all there ready to be purchased and it's all available. So thank you all so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below. How often are you washing your hair? Are you looking for something like this? This is going to be a great solution for you. And I'm really excited to hear your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.